Tucked away in the heart of the desert lies a small creek that seems almost forgotten. Even the cows look surprised to see me. Most days, only the locals know what this place truly holds. For the next couple of days, I'll be pursuing the large, elusive trout that call these hidden waters home. I'm excited for this weekend. One of my favorite places to fish, just small creek out in the middle of nowhere. It's fantastic. Got the whole weekend to explore. Just absolutely beautiful. We've had some rain recently, and so these purple flowers were just out force. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can catch a fish before dark. I only got maybe an hour and a half left. Sun's starting to head down the ridge there. So see if I can maybe get a couple in the net. Even one. That would be cool. All right, I'll see you down there. See what I see? I see a fish rising. Oh, that was a big fish. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, they just jump like crazy. Came back for it. Fan-freaking-tastic. Just gonna try to go right. Nope. Boy, they just know right where to go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Nice, healthy fish. That guy. Fatty. Good morning. What a great way to start the trip last night. Caught one really nice fish, probably 16 inches. Man, they fight so hard. And then another little one before dark. Had a good night at the camp last night, and I'm up before the boys, and sun's just coming up. I mean, it is 5:30 right now. It's crazy. Doesn't feel like 5:30. Well, I guess it doesn't look like 5:30 in the morning, but it certainly feels like it. So I'm gonna hopefully get into a few fish this morning before the boys get up, and then we're gonna probably head, I guess that would be up the creek later on today, but let's see if we can get into a few fish this morning. All right, I've got same setup, worked yesterday, so I've got the Gotti 5-weight with that little green jig leech. Seemed to be the ticket yesterday. I mean, literally, there was one fish that came up and you can see him waking after it. There's nothing better when a fish pushes water up on top to go after your fly. Pretty exciting. All right, I'll see you down there. Oh, there we go. All I got to do is not be fishing and I'll catch a fish. I literally had my line wrapped around my leg. Nice. Wow, this is a brown trout. That's a surprise. Look at that. Very nice. That's so cool. Pretty fish. There we go. That's a better fish. No nuts. Oh yeah, it's a really nice fish. Solid fish. Come on over here. Promise I'm gonna let you go. Yeah, nice fish. Nice. Swam right in the net. That's a solid fish right there. Nice fish. Zoom. Good morning. Up earlier than the sun this time. It's our last morning. It's going to be a warm one today, so I wanted to get an early start and have kind of fish the best 3 hours of the day. So I'm going to target some specific spots this time where I know there's some big fish holding, but I can't ignore the first. So I'll see you down at the first little hole. Drop my worm right in that hole. Nice. Oh, it's a good fish too. Oh yeah, wow. Glad I stopped. Oh, solid fish. Looks like it might be a brown trout. Not a lot of room to play him here, so stay in that current. Don't go down that way. That might be a rainbow. Big fish all the same. Just a stud fish. Oh, that guy. That's easy. 20 inches. Big old buck. There we go. Look at the stud. Just a tank.